Hello guys, today we are playing Don't Press the Button 4 and we already died. Okay, we're going to, we're still dying, reach to the end, yes, oh my god, that was close. No. What? No! I want to win. I'm really think I'm better than this, dude. Like, we're not gonna let us be like this. What? They got... Oh. Okay, I'm gonna press the button. I think I did. A storm! Ah! How is this a storm? Button presser. It was me. It showed my profile. I really... hey! Wow. It was a trick, wasn't it? On your marks. Get set. Oh my god, I don't know what this is. I have not played these games in like... How is that guy so fast? Yes, I won. Let's go! Woo! That's our first win today. People have gotten... Huh? I think I've played this before. Wait, so I'm just going to wait here. What's this guy's name? Loris Bat? Wait, what's his name? Whatever, but... No, we don't have enough in this. But I want to press it. Ooh, what do you mean you? Ooh, what was that? I don't know. Okay, hold on. Where are we supposed to go? Where? Excuse me? What? What did he just do? Okay, so... How did he get there? How? Oh my god, oh my god! How did he get up there?
A few moments later.
What? I died and he didn't! Somehow he got up there, surely somehow. Choose a side, I'm gonna pick my favorite color, blue. Yep. Since I didn't record a video yesterday, well I did, but I put the recording on mute. I'm gonna go with my second favorite color. Did you know guys that my favorite color was blue and my second favorite was green? Well, yesterday I did do recording, but the recording was on mute and I couldn't change it. So, guess what I had to do? I had to do this. I just had to like not make the video. So yeah, I did not make that video, and I'm gonna make it. We're gonna. Oh no! Nah. Huh? Okay. But yeah, we're going to just forget about. We're just going to not die. I was about to say we're going to just forget about what I said about the video thing, but we're just going to say that, you know, yeah, whatever. Now I'm talking just random. Ah! No! I didn't drink my chocolate milk. Oh, we have some more coins! Now! Bang! I want that bang. But I also want a beach ball. Serious ball, really serious. But we can also get the money. We're gonna get the money. I want to get the money. Okay, money. Oh, who wants some Robux? It's raining Robux over here. we taking all of this? What is it? I think I pressed it. Don't fall off. Okay, this is not easy. This is easy so far. So far, I said. I'm just going to. Just kidding. Oh my god. I'm just gonna spread the money here. Who wants some free Robux? Who wants some? Wait. I said, who wants this money? Woo! Who wants this money? Yeah, look at all that. Look at all. One player survived. Ha! Wait. Ha! Dang it. I got that. Next colors. Stand on the collect color, reach the top. I did it. Yes! Oh my god, that was hard. Let's go again. Wait, the next color. Next color. No! No. Yes. It's right here. Woo! Oh, you have to reach the top. Well, that was an unknown. And by unknown, I mean like I did not know that. Did you guys? Oh my god, this is good. I'm gonna go higher. Ooh. I risked it with this one. This is golden. Are you gonna go all the way? Oh! Come on, let's go. Oh! This is a crazy board right here. Okay. I'm good. I'm pretty good at that. Oh, where is the other fires? Oh, there's one right there. I knew I missed someone. Come on, blow that out. No! Come on. Blue one, yes! Blue one. Oh my god. What the flip? Why? What am I doing? Oh, so we're gonna just go ahead with this. Okay. This is... What's it? Oh, I had to be the button presser. Ah, don't fall in the lava. Well, I should be asking myself that because I'm the one who's already done it. I've already won, so I don't really care. Who wants some more money? And I say, get. Whoa, this person said a lot. I'm just gonna take all this. Thank you, thank you. We're just gonna 5 players 1. Wait, what? No, I was winning and then I didn't. Huh? Where's the hole? Well, why can't I move? Excuse me. Well, that was... this guy's a bit taller than me. Oh, there's some nice lightsabers. Ow! That was burnt. That burnt me. And I say, I don't know. Let's do this last round and then we'll end the video. Nah! No, we're not gonna fall. We're not allowed to fall. We're not allowed to fall. Where's my name? Yeah! Who wants some money? That's the end of the video. Watch and like it. If you want this money that's on the floor, go ahead and subscribe and leave a like. Turn the notification bells. And maybe we'll play this next time. Before I get hit by these big bowling balls, or whatever these are, let's stop the video. Bye.